Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram DM partnership message option not showing error on your phone. So this is one of the new or latest option that users are getting. So if you are also into the same situation and if you cannot find the partnership messages option on Instagram, then this video guide will surely help you. Well, the many users have reported that they were not able to see partnership messages on their DM option. So what you need to do is to first you have to restart your phone once and then check if the partnership messages option is showing you. Check partnership messages is showing or not. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now check if it's working or not. If not, you are suggested to force stop the app once. For that, click and hold the Instagram icon over here. Now click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. Once you have done this, open your Instagram app and then check whether partnership messages is showing or not. If not, you should clear the cache of the Instagram app. For that, click on storage and cache, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, go back, launch the app and check if it's showing now. If not, you should check if the app needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Instagram app. And here you can see an update option is available. In your case, if there is an update, you simply need to click on update option and wait for some time unless the Instagram app is updated. And after the app is updated, now launch the app and check whether the partnership messages option is showing you or not. But if the issue still continues and you cannot find the partnership messages option on Instagram, then what you need to do is you should take help from the support team. So for that, open Instagram, click on 3-line icon. After that, go below. Here you have to click on help option. Now click on report a problem. Click on a report problem. Now here you have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across, or if you have taken any screenshot, then simply add it over here, and after that send it to the support team. Now wait for some time unless you get any response from the support team, and hopefully this will resolve the issue you are coming across on your Instagram app. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.